guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week I am sharing a creative project, but it is not a papercraft project. I do sometimes dabble in some jewelry making or some other kinds of creative efforts, and this week it's about my earrings. Now why? Maybe you are wondering. Well, I had this little shirt here, and these earrings, which are now the perfect match in my opinion, they were not this perfect a match. So I made it a perfect match by coloring them. So I bought these earrings and then I changed the color, and this is actually pretty easy if you have some alcohol inks, and today I am showing you how to do that. So enjoy the little tutorial. I am sharing a little hack that I am doing to change the color of some earrings. These are sort of plastic or acrylics. I ordered them online and I didn't like the white because I thought, what am I going to wear this with? But I do have some clothes that have some green, so I thought if I can turn this into a nice green, they are wearable after all. So I think that using some alcohol inks might do the trick here. So what you see me doing here is just putting some droplets onto the flower here, and I think I'm going to remove some of the excess. And here we are again. So that is the result. Here you go. And as you can see, this is a great match with my shirt. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time with a paper craft project again. Okay, thank you for watching. Press the like if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and share it. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.